Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have Photoshop 2024 and a duplicated layer ready. Start now by selecting the exact area you want generative fill to change. Use lasso for freeform edits or quick select for objects. This gives clean masks and avoids edge artifacts. Once done, right-click and choose Fill, then pick Generative Fill. This triggers the model on the selected pixels. Make sure to keep the selection tight. Doing so improves results and reduces need for heavy post-cleanup. Now you refine how Photoshop interprets your intent by writing a clear prompt describing subject, style, and lighting. Short and specific works best. You can tweak strength or composition sliders to balance original pixels versus generated content and change the seed to see different variations. Once you preview options, pick the closest match or iterate. Narrow the prompt if details are off. Add references like soft rim light or cinematic color to guide tone. Finish by non-destructively masking and blending the generated area into the scene. Use layer masks and the clone stamp for micro-corrections, then match color and contrast with curves or HSL. Once satisfied, flatten a copy and run a final noise and sharpening pass to unify texture. If the fill looks off, reselect the region, simplify or rephrase the prompt, and lower generation strength. This fixes scale, perspective, and lighting mismatches without losing your progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.